Today, I'm testing a special clothing setup to protect me from thermal drones. Can I outsmart the tech? Let's find out. We delve into the crucial topic of privacy and safety, protecting individuals from thermal drones with custom clothing. As thermal drone technology increases in usage, privacy concerns have surfaced, with people worried about being monitored without knowledge. The usefulness of this technology, however, also brings significant threats to individual security. With widespread use, identifying effective protective measures is essential. Thermal drones use specialized cameras to see heat signatures, aiding in tasks like search and rescue but also posing a threat to personal security. The increasing usage of these drones has caused a heightened demand for protection measures. People are seeking ways to shield themselves from these devices. And that's where special clothing comes in. As technology advances, the risk of detection increases, making it important to find ways to counter those devices. Thermal drones function in various industries, including construction and agriculture. However, the potential for misuse is significant, demanding protective measures to protect personal security. We'll examine how thermal imaging works, types of drones available, and materials in protective clothing. Thermal imaging is a complex process that converts heat signatures into a visual image. Its applications extend across industries, but it poses a significant threat to personal security. Protecting yourself requires understanding how the technology works and how to counter it. Innovative clothing uses special materials, reflecting thermal signatures, and helps conceal heat signatures, making it difficult for thermal drones to detect. Though the technology is in its infancy, the potential of revolutionizing personal security defense is impressive. By incorporating this clothing into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of being detected by thermal drones. This special clothing suits various situations ranging from daily activities to high-risk operations. The lightweight, comfortable material ensures durability, ensuring its suitability for extended wear. By wearing this clothing, you can significantly reduce the risk of being detected by thermal drones and enhance your personal security. In conclusion, understanding the risks and harnessing specialized clothing can significantly enhance protection against thermal drones. This clothing is a game changer for anyone concerned about personal security and surveillance. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our next video on top thermal shielding clothing brands and share your thoughts below.